Yeah, yeah.
Wait. I got all the way around to where I was. You saw me. I put on 30.
All right, Brian, get ready.
He looked at me and saw I was on there and went up into the tower.
All right, where are we going?
Following you.
Building.
Woo! What? All right. Bucket. Bang.
What's up, boys?
What up?
What's up?
You see him? Okay, you go high. You go low. I go high.
Okay.
I'll go mid range.
And I'll go mid range. Oh, that's pretty.
That is a rut. I'm so sorry, bro.
All right, going in. You hear Bren? Call your fucking. Semi. Hey, Bushley, where you at?
Cover right there.
Okay. I thought that was the guy that already got hit.
Nope.
Where at? Right behind the cover. You see him? I got him.
Your gun sounds pretty awesome. I like that clunk.
It's blowback.
Oh, blowback?
Yeah.
Mine is too, but it doesn't do that. But it's only that little,
Yeah.
I don't know where the hell we're going to
All right. I'm going over. Crossing now.
Trey.
Yeah.
Get down.
I am. Fucking.
Right here.
Whoa, I dodged it! Did you see that?
The building right here.
Yeah.
See him. Hey, Trey, move this way. Trey and Dakota. Hey, I'll give you cover. Hey, look, up, pull the plot. They're peeking around the barrels.
Guy in the tower.
Huh?
No. Far tower.
Trey,
Yeah.
army crawl down to...
No, there's a fucking guy right here.
Trey, don't turn it. No, come on. Trey,
Yeah.
turn around. Peek through that window. He's right there.
Yeah.
Oh, I hit you! You better leave!
Car hit. I just saw it. Oh fuck, there's a guy right there.
Are you out?
Yeah.
You see the guy in that building?
Yeah. Trey, come in here.
Huh?
Come in here.
No way in hell I survived in there. Hit!
Oh my god. My whole team is gone.
But shit, that shit hurt, so.
I got shot right in the forehead.
Yeah. You guys saw it.
Bro, this battery is fucking performing hella well.
Dang, see, hit right there. You got the welt going all right here.
Yeah.
It's already forming.
Check that out. Maroon shirt just there out.
Huh?
Come over here so we can
So we can respond.
It was me.
Yeah, so shoot him too. Hey, it's an Avalon.
Alright, now we're gonna respond.
Alright. There's a guy at the the tower.
Brent's right there.
Dude,
Top.
someone just shot my helmet and it exploded.
Bryn!
All of my helmet.
You good?
Several times.
Some guy.
What?
Guy's holding this corner, right?
Get up there? Well, fuck you. Alright, and go.
Trey, get down.
Yeah, fuck you.
Turn me, I'm running in.
Alright, come here.
Alright.
Go around this enclosure to our right. There he is, you little puss. Come here. Trey,
Yeah.
corner him. We'll lay down some fire.
Which corner?
Over the right door. To the right.
Yeah.
Right, over the building to your right.
Going.
Building in front of us?
Huh?
There's a building in front of us right here?
Yep.
Kid?
Yep. Is it behind that cover?
Yep.
Okay.
Left side of that window?
Yep. Bryn, you would have come over here. Watch this side, watch this side. He's right behind the cover, then there's no one right in the building.
Oh, the pistol.
To the left side of the window.
What's up now?
So there's one, you know how to have that little cover?
Yeah, that,
Okay, there's one right behind there. The building directly behind us. He's on the left side of the window. Yep. Stay behind cover. Come on, dude. Come on. Behind that cover. Just a little wall, not the house. By the barrel? All right. There's a guy right by the barrel over there. There's another guy still in that building.
Yeah. I want to go bang him.
Well, if you go on that side, we'll be able to cover you from this side. Yeah. Yeah. What?
There's one directly back. Car building behind. The building that's right in front of you is behind that one. You should be able to see it.
I can't see it from where I'm in there. You coming over? Ah, hit. They ain't calling their hits. Huh? No.
Put 2 clips into a dude and you still can't call it.
Right?
Alright, we almost got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10. Go!
All right, Bren, go, go, go.
I just went fucking 10-0 and they're not calling their hits.
I know. Huh?
They're all right here.
All right. Fuck it, Bren.
Hey, lay down some cover.
This side, this
Dakota,
side.
I'm going in. I'm going inside.
Bren, come here.
Run to that building right there.
No, someone's in there.
No, there's
Yeah,
no
there
one
is. Yes,
No,
there is.
there's-
Dakota, I've been shooting.
Did Bren just get shot? Hey, Bren, nice try.